Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Elma here again. And today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best pineapple honey glazed ham. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so here are the list of things that we need. So we need a ham and we need pineapple slices. I prefer 2 cans. Now, if your ham actually is small, then you might be okay with just 1 can, but extra slices of pineapple could never go wrong. So that's that. Then we need lemon juice, we need cherries, mustard, brown sugar, we need honey, we need toothpicks, ground ginger, ground cinnamon, cloves, and butter. And quickly, I want to show you guys what kind of ham I got. Okay, and here it is. Now remove all the packaging material from the ham. Now here's the ham, it's ready. Alright, so now let's put some mustard. Now with this process, it is easier to just use a brush. Okay, now let's put some honey. And FYI, as you can see, I don't measure everything here, so just use your best judgment. Keep in mind that ham is salty, so this is not gonna be a problem. So it should balance it out. Okay, so now let's put some sugar. And rub it all over. Let's sprinkle this with ground ginger. And then cinnamon. Black pepper. And the cloves. Alright you guys, so here comes my favorite part. We'll be using these pineapple slices to decorate our ham. And of course, we need toothpicks. Okay guys, so on these beautiful cherries, we'll just go right in the middle of the pineapple slices. Just like that. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Looks so delicious. Okay, so now this lemon juice will be the best helper of all. And I'll tell you why. Definitely will balance from salty, sour, and sweet. And it's gonna be really, really good. And honestly speaking, I do love to put a drop of lemon juice or even a vinegar if I cook something, especially when in terms of meat. I was even thinking in the beginning that I want to have to put lemongrass, dill, and rosemary in this, but I don't want to overwhelm too much. But I'll probably be doing that next year because I really like to try something different each year. So. Alright you all, so now let's go ahead and make our honey glaze. And I saved some of this juice of the pineapple slices and a little bit of juice from the cherries. Then we have sugar and we have honey, and don't forget the butter because we need that. Okay, and let's heat the pan. I'm just gonna use half of the butter. Okay, and pour in the sugar. Alright, and next is honey. Then the pineapple juice. Then the cherry juice. Then I'd like to spice it up with black pepper. Alright, and your ham should always comes with its instructions, and it should normally be located on the back of the label, and you can just read it through there. And in mine, we're going to be warming it up for 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes per pound. Now in the instruction, it does shows that I have to sprinkle the dry glaze on the ham, but since I'm not going to be using that packet, so I am not going to worry about it because I'm going to use my own glaze this time. So as I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, I'm just going to continue basting our ham with the honey glazed. Okay, so the oven's ready. So I am going to put our ham in the oven and I will place it on the bottom rack. You are welcome to cover this with aluminum foil if you prefer, but it's alright if you don't. Because in the end, we're going to be broiling it for just at least a little bit. Okay, so this time I took the ham out from the oven and I will be going to baste it with honey glazed. And then I will put it to the oven again. Okay, so now back to the oven. Alright, so now I am basting it again. So now set your oven into broil. Okay, and keep in mind that we have to prevent the cherries and the pineapples from burning. So we will be just boiling it for about 2 to 4 minutes. I know it sounds very short, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Also, do not overcook your glaze to prevent it from burning. If you are not comfortable on broiling, so just don't worry about it. You can just skip it. And baking your ham all the way through is also good. Bottom line is, you don't want your ham to burn. Alright, so there it is, you guys. Look at that. So now our pineapple honey glazed ham is now officially done. And here's my tip. Baste the ham with the juices from the pan while it's still hot to prevent it from drying. It's now ready to serve. Okay, you guys, here it is. Here's the finished product. And I'll tell you all, this is by far the best of the best pineapple honey glazed ham in the world. And I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Right, and so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new or not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. And beyond that, take care. And we'll see you in our next one.